I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution of question number 8, page 409 for my student Melissa. Thanks for sharing such a good question, and I'm sure many of my subscribers on YouTube will also benefit from here. There were two parts to this question. I'm doing it in two different videos. Here is part A for you. In the triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. So BD is perpendicular to AC. AC is 4 centimeters. 4 units I've written, so we'll write AC equals to 4 units. And BD is given to us as 1 unit. So BD is 1 unit. Show that sine A cosine A equals to 1 over 4. So that is what we are interested in finding. That's the angle A for you. Right? Part B is we need to find what angle A is. Okay. So I'm using the strategy of finding area of the triangle. We can find area of this triangle in two different ways. So the strategy here is to find area of triangle, right? So area of triangle. So once I'll consider the triangle ABC where base is A to C, which is given to us as 4 units. So this is given to us 4 units, right? And the height is 1 unit. So we say area of triangle ABC is equals to half of base, which is AC, times altitude, which is BD, right? So times BD, right? So that is the area of triangle. We are given both these dimensions. So it is half of AC is given to us as 4 and BD is 1. So it becomes 2 unit squares. So let me write unit squares. Okay. Now, we could also see this triangle as a right angle triangle ABC 90 degrees at B itself, right? So in that case, how do we write this area of triangles? We say area of triangle ABC could also be equal to half of BC, that is BC, right? So half of BC times AB, right? Times AB. So that is the area of triangle also. But we know that area of triangle is how much? 2 unit squares. So I can equate this to 2. Now from here I will get expression for BC times AB. So that is what I wanted. So from here we can say BC times AB is equals to 2 times 2, 4. So this is very important result which I got. So product of these two sides, AB and BC, is actually 4 for us. That is what we got from here, right? Now we'll find what is sine A times cosine A, right? So if you see from here, that is your angle A. So using right triangle at B, so we'll again consider triangle with 90 degrees at B, right? So that triangle. So what is sine A? Sine A will be opposite side over hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC. So it is BC over AC, right? How about cosine A? Cosine is adjacent side, which is AB, over hypotenuse AC, right? So AC. Now if I have to multiply these two, then I get sine A cosine A. So I get sine A times cosine A. That is BC over AC times AB over AC, correct? Now we already found BC times AB is 4. So the numerator BC times AB is 4. So I could write 4 here. And what are we given? AC is 4 units. So it is 4 times 4. Do you see that? So it simplifies to 1 over 4. And that is how we can show that sine A times cosine A equals to 1 over 4, right? So that is how we can show how their product is 1 over A. Now to find the angle, which I'll take up in the next video. Now you might or might not have done double angles. If you have done double angle formulas, in that case, I hope you remember 2 sine A cos A, 2 sine A cos A is equals to sine 2A, right? So those of you who have done double angle, so that is what it is. So from this expression we can find angle A also. If I multiply by 2, then what do I get? So from here I get sine A cosine A is 1 over 4, right? So what we get here is sine 2A will be equals to 2 times sine A cosine A. What we found in this triangle is equal to 1 over 4. So I'm multiplying that by 1 over 4. So I get half here, right? Now for which angle is sine half? What acute angle is sine half? So you could always construct your 30, 60, 90 triangle, correct? In that, side ratios are 1 to square root 3. We are looking for sine to be half. That means opposite that angle. So that is 30 degrees, correct? If you're working in radians, it is pi by 6. So that means 2A, the angle is 30 degrees, right? So therefore angle A is 30 degrees divided by 2 or 15 degrees. You get, so we get 15 degrees as the answer by application of double angle formula. Well, in the next video I'll solve that part using not using this double angle formula, since most of my students have not done it so far. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.